Hi everyone, it's Nature's Finest. I am Lucy 13, and welcome to my world. I show you the world through my eyes, okay? So, you guys, I am going to post a video of my whole process of me learning how to do my own eyebrow shaping, because I want to learn how to do my own eyebrows with makeup and stuff like that. So, that's something I'm learning in the cosmetic era. Also, I wanted to come in here and just, show my appreciation to Mother Earth. Right now, it's a very sunny day, beautiful day, and it's a perfect day to, go on a stroll, go on a walk, touch grass, feel the sun in your skin. And the sun is healthy. Look at the sun, you guys. Look at the sun beaming on my skin. Beautiful. Okay, you guys, so I am going to post a video next of me learning how to do my own eyebrows. Bye, or see you later. Not there yet, you guys. I will get it eventually. I want to watch more and more videos, but it's First of all, I'm gonna buy a brighter concealer. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But no, let's go like clean it up, you guys, and then show you. It's coming along, but it's not there yet. But how do I get there? Alright, you guys, thank you so much. I'll be right back, okay? Right now, there's a squirrel over there by the trees, digging in the sand, I believe. This is nature's finest. The squirrel in its natural habitat. They're so beautiful. You guys, I'm seeing squirrels everywhere. Look how pretty and precious it is. Look, let me see. They're so fast. Like, ever since I was a kid, every time I see a squirrel, 1 minute they're there, 1 minute they're gone within seconds. But lately, the squirrels I've been seeing here, they've been taking their time here, just chilling. The devil's trying to get his lip back. I said, no, God, get that. God always got me all the time. I want to give you guys a proper goodbye. Bye. I know you guys hate to see me go, but I have to go. Bye. See you guys next time. Lucy 13 now.